Hi, this is Arif Alam and you are welcome to my channel Subject Guru. Today in this video we are going to start the introduction video of class 9th mathematics chapter 3 coordinate geometry. In this video topic to be covered: ordered pair, what is coordinate geometry, coordinate axis, origin, convention of sign, quadrant. So first we will discuss here ordered pair. In ordered pair, we arrange two numbers or element in a specific order. Let's see here. We have A and B, two numbers. If we arrange two numbers in such a way in a specific order, it is an ordered pair, we can say. A at the first place is the first place, and B at the second place, we can say. Note here AB does not equals to BA, isn't it? If we write here 3,2 is one order and 2,3 is another order. So this is the ordered pair, we can say. A is a first place and B is a second place, isn't it? So it is a ordered pair. Now second, what is the coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry, we can say, the branch of mathematics in which geometric problems are solved through algebra by using the coordinate system is known as coordinate geometry, isn't it? Now coordinate axis, we have a graph here. And we can say we have two lines here. First is horizontal line, this is horizontal line, and this is vertical line, we can say Y and Y dash. It is a vertical line, we can say here. So these are the coordinate axes. The horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis, where these perpendicular line intersect each other. This point is known as origin. So now it is origin, and this horizontal line is axis and vertical line is one, where these lines intersect each other, it is a origin. Now convention of sign. We are familiar in first chapter that if we draw a number line here, and between we take 0, so left side we have negative number, and right side of 0 we can put positive number here, isn't it? So same we can apply in Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane as a graph. Now this is the positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, and the above line, upward line, we can say positive y-axis, and downward we can say negative y-axis, isn't it? So these are the sign convention of sign here. So we put here, if we put here numbers, so first we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, isn't it? And here we can put, because it is a negative x-axis, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6, negative 7, and so on. Similarly, we can write here positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and same as negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on we can write here. So these are the convention of sign. And what is the quadrant? Where these two lines divide this graph into 4 parts, isn't it? So first part we can say first quadrant, and this is the second part, we can say second quadrant, and the third part we can say third quadrant, and last one we can say fourth quadrant, isn't it? So now according to sign convention, this is the positive and this is the negative. So first point in ordered pair we can say lie on x axis, and second point we can say lie on y axis. So in ordered pair you can see here first order, first letter is A, so A lies on x axis. It is the point of x axis we can say, and B is the point of y axis. So first letter is known as abscissa, and second point is known as ordinate, isn't it? Ordinate. And both point abscissa is a first point in ordered pair, and ordinate is a second point in ordered pair, and that both points in ordered pair known as coordinate. Isn't it? So these are the basic funda here. Now see in graph, first point known as abscissa and second point ordinate. So we can locate any point on this graph paper, isn't it? So the first point here we can say positive, and second positive we can say. So the point on first quadrant plus, isn't it? Now see in second quadrant, first on x axis, so these are negative, and second is on y axis, this is positive. So sign of second quadrant plus minus plus. Now see third quadrant, x axis here is negative and y axis is also negative. So we can write here negative, isn't it? And the last one we can say fourth quadrant, first point is positive here and second point is negative. So we can write positive, negative. First point abscissa, we can say count on x axis, and second point is ordinate, we can count on y axis. So plus minus. Suppose we locate here 3, 2 on this graph. So how can we locate? First we see 3, first point on x axis 3 is here, and the point we have 2, so 2 is on y axis, 2 is here, this is 2. So we draw a perpendicular line here. This is the point on 3, 2. Here we can locate it. First we see 3, and in front of 3 we go to 2. So this is the point location of 3, 2. Now if I write here minus, how can we denote on graph minus 2, 3? So let's see. First we will see minus 2. First point on x axis minus 2 here, and 3 we will go in front of 3. This first we draw here a perpendicular line, and where is 3? We join as a 3 in front of 3. So minus 2 is here and 3 is here. So we locate minus 2, 3 this point. So this is very easy to locate. And if we question ask that where is it 3,2, which in which quadrant, so first quote both are positive 3,2, so we can say this point is in first quadrant, isn't it? So, and the one more thing here, the coordinate of origin we can write 0, 0. Please note that, isn't it? And we put origin here 0, 0, isn't it? If we, how can we locate point 3, 0 and 4, 0 on number line and 0, 2 on number line? So let's see here. First we will talking about 3, 0. So 3, 3 here and y is 0. So we cannot go upward because 0 we cannot go anywhere. So we can write here 3, 0 locate here, and 2, 0 we can locate here because y, the distance of y is 0 and the distance of x-axis is 2, so we cannot go upward, so only we put here 2, 0 is here. And similarly 0, 2 we 0, 2 x is 0 here, so we cannot go in x distance, and y is 2, so we will go only here. So 0, 2 we will cover only y distance here. So these are the basic funda of coordinate geometry. Hope you understood each and everything clearly, and please subscribe my channel. That's why you can easily get my all video notification without fail. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.